Hi everyone, this is Esteban. Today I want to show you guys a quality control station. As you can see, we have the HDPE here where we're going to go ahead and use to be able to place our information. We can clip on the bottom part as well as the top. So that's the HDPE surfaces we're using. Another thing that we want to talk about when thinking about this is a light duty structure. Therefore, we're able to use the 3-inch stem casters, which are going to be inserted into the tube. Okay, remember, this is a light duty station, therefore we're able to get away with using the 3-inch casters. Very different if it was a heavy duty structure. We would think about using maybe the plate casters as opposed to the stem casters. Okay, so since it is a light duty structure, again, there's not much need for heavy duty bigger caster wheels, so the 3-inch is fine. We have a bin here just for parts that are going to be checked. So it's just a very simple to pull out bin using the L extrusions to hold it in place. And again, on wheels to be able to move it around and place it if you need to clean or get it out of the way. Again, on mobile, on casters to be able to do so. All right, take care.